Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jenny Sapon. Go ahead and hit subscribe. I do a lot of reviews and makeup tutorials on my channel, and if you're returning and you haven't hit subscribe, go ahead and hit subscribe. So today we're going to talk about the Flawless Stay Foundation by Beauty Creations. This is supposed to have a satin finish, oil-free, hydrating, long wear, lightweight formula, and have vitamin E in it. And it's cruelty-free. If you're curious to see how this works and what my thoughts are, just keep on watching. So, as you can tell from the title and the fact that I have no face makeup on is because we're going to be doing a review on their new Flawless Stay Foundation. So this is what the packaging looked like. So it came in this cute little box. That's what the inside looks like. I'm not going to show you the outside because it has my address. This is what the unit carton looks like, and this is what it claims to do. I'll read it to you guys. Satin finish, oil-free, hydrating, long wear, lightweight formula, and it has vitamin E. And it's cruelty-free. You can see that little symbol. And according to the website, so I'm not sure, I actually haven't tried it out yet. I got it last night and I wanted to try it out so bad, but I actually was like, no, I want to film this. So I am in the shade FS 5.5. So this looks like it'd be my shade. I don't know. I picked 5.5 because on the website it said it had this like list of foundation by other brands, and it said that if you were in the Pro Filter in the shade 210, that this should be your shade or similar to your shade. It's comparable but not exact. So I was a little nervous once I started seeing all these people posting about it, but I'm really hoping that it is my shade. So once you open the box, this is what the bottle looks like. It's like frosted and it looks super luxe. So I'm kind of super cute. I'm like super excited to try this out. How many times am I gonna say super in this video? But I went ahead and prepped and primed my face like how I normally would, so that way we give this foundation a fair try. I also want to put this video up tomorrow. Usually I will know within a couple hours if I like a foundation or not, because I get pretty sweaty just in general. I don't know why, I just do, especially in this like nose area. So that's how I know the foundation is gonna stay. And we're gonna put this foundation to a test right now because I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm like breaking out in this area. And I will be going and using two makeup tools today. I'm gonna be using the Morphe and Jeffree JS4, and then I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. sponge. This is like my favorite sponge aside from the Beauty Blender. So I'm gonna do this half with a brush and then this half with the beauty sponge. I'm hoping this isn't too dark, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake it all up, and it comes with a little pump, which I love. It's super cute. It's super small. It's like the size of my palm. It does retail for $12, so I'm like squeezing it out still. Nothing's okay. So it's not runny or anything like that, so it definitely is staying. It looks whipped almost. That looks almost my shade, I think. I wonder. So it's definitely, once I put it on, it feels like a thick cream almost. I'm not loving how it's going on the way it's blending with the sponge, but I guess it's settling down to my shade. I mean, it looks like it's drying down to my shade, so that's a good thing. I can't tell if the smell is the foundation smell or this brush bath that I use to clean my brush. Okay, so this is just, as you guys can see when I dabbed it on, it dried down quickly for sure, so that's why it was a little hard to blend. But this is a very light coverage right now. I'm gonna go ahead and dab it again. and add on another layer. I honestly don't know why I hold the brush so close. So honestly, it looks like it's matching me pretty well, and I actually really love the finish. Wow, it looks really good. I don't know if you guys can tell. I think it looks really, really good. So definitely this is still just like a medium coverage for me. No, I would say it's like in between medium and full. But, ooh, I love that. So I'm gonna go in with the sponge, an e.l.f. sponge. I love this thing. You can find it, I don't know, I got it at Target and it's like $5 or $6. So with this sponge, it's definitely giving very much a light coverage. But I'm not mad about it either. It gives it a very light layer and it looks like your skin, but better. So I went ahead and pumped some more. I was somewhere on Instagram. I was like, I don't know whose page it was. I was just kind of browsing, and just because I was just waiting for this foundation to come because I was just so excited. I was just like going on like just viewing and browsing on Instagram, and this foundation was like comparable to the Too Faced Born This Way, but honestly I think this one's so much better. Sorry. And I'm just gonna use the remaining of this. And put it on. Wow, like my skin just looks so flawless, and it's actually a pretty good shade, which I'm very happy about. This is with the brush and this is with the sponge. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and also because my camera is dying, and then I will be right back because I wanted you guys to see what the finished look like. This is just this side with the brush and this side is with the sponge. Just wanted to remind you guys, but I will go ahead and keep you guys posted. This is like the one weekend that I was sick for 2 weekends. So I'm finally going out this weekend. I'm probably gonna go watch a movie. I'm probably gonna go to like a bar that opened up here in downtown, see how well it stays with eating and all of that. So I will definitely keep you guys updated. But yeah, I will go ahead and stop rambling, and I'll see you guys next time. So it is currently 11:12 right now, and I am so ready. I'm ready to take all of this off and I'm ready to go to bed. I'm usually in bed by this time. Anyway, so I just wanted to give this a quick run through. This is a satin finish, I would say. So it definitely is oil free, so if you are on the oily side, you can definitely get away with wearing this foundation. If you are on the drier side, throughout the day I didn't notice anything clinging on to dry spots or anything like that, so definitely do not be afraid if you have dry skin. I mean, it says it's hydrating, but I didn't really notice if there was a difference in hydration or not. I put this on around 2 o'clock and it's currently 11 o'clock, so this is definitely long wearing, and I would definitely say that this is a medium to full coverage. I am definitely impressed with this foundation, and it's only $12. Like, I am so happy. So, and as far as shade match, I think I did a pretty good job. When I first applied it on, it was a little bit darker and I was a little scared, but once it dried down, it kind of looks pretty good. So the website did make it kind of easy for me to kind of compare my foundation, but the shipping did take a while. I definitely see myself wearing this over and over again. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you plan on purchasing this foundation, or go ahead and just comment down what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.